Let's go.
Kidding me?
Great job, Brendan.
As expected from the first round. Well. Ah.
He's grabbing the block. Okay. Yeah, it's clear. He must have despawned.
Oh nice, there's still a diamond in that room. So I'm gonna go get that.
Okay.
Diamond.
Aww.
Ah. For you.
These fucking Kung Fu Pao noodles are good.
What?
None of that was English. Shoot me! Yeah.
What's this one?
Headman
Oh.
Manor.
Yes!
At least grab the cart and be a courteous person if you're gonna do that shit.
Right in my fucking face.
There's a crawly guy. There's a crawly guy and I'm dying.
There's a face! There's a face! There's a face! There's a face!
Oh my goodness! The baby's dying! Oh my god!
Nuts on apples are actually terrible.
What?
I don't know who, like chocolate apple? Chocolate
Real.
apple? I'll chill with it. But nuts? Why the fuck would you add a hard coating I have to like gnaw through to get to the apple?
Of course.
We're talking about different nuts.
You guys are
guys.
no longer my
Well,
friends.
why wouldn't it be?
What do you mean we're talking about different nuts? The fucking caramel apples that have nuts on them.
Give it a second.
Oh.
Oh.
Alright.
Boy does not know how to move things.
Is it stuck on a corner, bro?
It's not. It's gonna be not enough for the quota when he's done with
He's
it.
lost like
This is not
7,000
gonna
already.
Guys, be nice. He's got this.
You know those baby toys where you like put shapes in different shaped holes?
We're not come here.
Oh,
I've never
no.
felt. Ah, Chase's body's in the courtyard with mine.
I know.
Go.
It's
Oh my fucking. Damn, no. This place sucks so bad.
Headman Manor is the worst map in the game.
Well, I'm thinking.
This room over here.
No.
Amazing.
There's an emerald up there, but you lucky.
What do you mean lucky? It broke on impact.
No.
Hey, Dan.
Oh, there's an expensive thing over here.
God damn it. Coming.
There's two.
That's a silent man, right?
Hey, there's another one, Dan.
You want?
What?
wanna
What?
explode
What?
the other one?
What? Gnome?
Oh, there's gnomes.
Anti-gnome measures.
Exploded a barrel.
Like
Anti-gnome
dumbass.
measures. Anti-gnome
There's-
measures. Anti-gnome measure. Kill the gnomes. Well, it's
Okay.
not blowing.
Hey man,
I'm smelling something
There's
big
another
up
bear.
there.
there's another barrel up here.
I'll catch it. I'll catch it.
Okay. All right, Dan, you got this.
Right now, 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 right now.
It didn't even work.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, fucking run.
There's a fucking staff.
There's this car over here. There's a lot of goodies.
Wingardium Leviosa. Expelloramus. Oh, he's... Frog. It's like I can feel my blood pressure rising already.
Do we die, yay or nay?
That's better.
Chase. Don't fight it.
Yeah.
Thing.
I meant in game, Brendan. Shut the hell up.
Fuck you.